Hello and welcome to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Today we have a special guest, Pujishtha, who will tell us about her TCS journey. So, Pujishtha, can you please introduce yourself before we start the podcast?
Yes, my name is Menda Pujita. I'm from Srikakulam district, Andhra Pradesh, and actually I'm graduate from JNTU UK Nashropet in Guntur. And coming to my skills, I'm good at Python and also HTML, CSS, and basics of Java, and I know only about that. And also from the hardware side, I have knowledge in microcontroller programming and analog and digital electronics, and also VHDL and VLSI basics. And I have a strong interest in that IT field and software development. And from the I have also completed internship in embedded systems and UI UX design and also VLSI. I'm a quick learner and adaptable, and I am passionate about continuous learning. I'm looking forward to start my career in a reputed organization like TCS, Tata Consulting, the consultancy services, and I'm 2025 graduate.
Okay, that's great.
This is all about my
So, that was
introduction.
really a nice introduction. I just have a question uh, how long does that take you to learn all these skills?
Actually, I started my learning from second year onwards, from basics to advanced. So I'm started from second year, from college also.
Okay, that's great. So you were quite serious about it.
Yes.
Okay. So what is your job role and what date did you give your interview and what is your LPA?
As I was initially shortlisted for the digital role through the TCS National Qualifier Test. However, based on the overall evaluation, I received an offer for the Ninja role, which is 3.4 LPA, 4.6 LPA, but the digital is 7 plus LPA. Unfortunately, due to their company layoffs, they sent offer for the Ninja role.
Okay, okay. So you were selected for some other role, but then they gave you some other role.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So when and how did you get to know about this hiring? Was it on campus or off campus?
Actually, it is off campus. I'm searching in online. Unfortunately, I find a video in YouTube which is from Online Study for You, which is by Pratik sir. So from that video, I'm apply for TCS, and also I see the total application process from that video.
So you said unfortunately. So was it fortunately or unfortunately?
Like at that time, I don't know about the YouTube channel Online Study for You. I'm the fresher at actually I'm see that video on 2024. At that time hiring was happened. So I'm searched in YouTube that video, the first video I got at the YouTube. So I click on that, and from that day to this day, I'm daily commenting on that videos, all videos from Pratik sir, because they are helpful to all the students and also me for behind the BGC process and offer letter and how many days the offer will came. He explained a lot from for all the students.
It's really great. I'm really happy to hear that it helped you a lot. Okay, so we will come to the
Yes.
hiring process. How many rounds were there? First, tell us about the starting round.
Actually, which is like the exam included aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal ability, and advanced aptitude and coding. And which is difficult means aptitude is moderate, advanced is like moderate to high, advanced coding and advanced aptitude, and coding is easy to moderate. With the good preparation, I think it is manageable.
Okay, okay. So, like, can you just tell us about the exact questions which came in the written and coding and aptitude or whatever?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, aptitude, which is like time and distance, speed, and so aptitude. Almost all the topics were covered in aptitude. Coming to advanced aptitude, so many questions are based on time, speed, and accuracy. Those type of questions in coding, and also coming to coding, which is like uh, s- there are two questions, which is a hard level and easy level. For the hard level, it is like 15 test cases, I think, which is a strings question. There are two strings which are, I think, concatenate or join something they given, and easy level, which is like remove a array, one array. So I think those two questions were given to me in the exam.
Nicely explained. Okay, so that was all about that. So, in coding, what you did, like, you remember the question, or if you can tell how many were correct? I mean,
Yes, ma'am. In hard level, like the first one is easy level, which is the time was 15 minutes, I think. Uh, in that time, I cracked almost the time was happened. Actual compiler was not good at that like location, which is so um like compiler was not good, so I'm not able to crack first easy level question. But after that, I completed my high level, high level question, um, 35 minutes. So I easily cracked that. Yes, ma'am. After 15 minutes, I think I got a logic. So based on that, I completed the test cases. Like in the easy hard level, I completed almost all test cases. One or two test cases I leave. Easy level, I'm not completed that. I leave that.
okay, okay, bad luck. No problem. So, let's come to the next round. Was it interview round? Yes, am I right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, your interview held in two rounds, or was it in one round only?
Yes, ma'am. My interview was held in two rounds, which is like manager and technical round was the first round, and after that HR round. The first technical and manager round. In that round, the manager and technical assistant, they asked about my intro. First of all, they asked about my intro. I think my panel number one. So I'm the first student at that panel. So my interview was happened almost 30 minutes. So at that time, they asked about my intro, and also they asked some like coding question, which is like swap the numbers, and also reverse your name, and leave some employees SQL query. They asked us SQL query, which is like leave the employee, but we want a one employee. So how to short the employee? They asked that question from the database. They asked about the first of all, you create the table, and also after that you can short the employee. Uh, and coming to manager, he asked about the why TCS and what's your background, family background, and that's it, ma'am.
So, what did you answer about why TCS?
Why TCS means I'm so like I'm good at software, like soft skills, so and also software. So I think I'm good. I'm interested in this field, like IT field, IT domain. So I'm passionate about continuous learning. I'm looking forward to start my career in a reputed organization like MNC, TCS, or any other companies.
Okay, okay, great. So let's come to the next round. Can you just explain everything again about that?
Ma'am?
You said there were two rounds, na? So what HR round is left, I guess.
Yes, ma'am. At that HR round, after my technical and manager round, they sent me to HR round. At that HR round, they asked me what like why TCS, and again HR asked why TCS, and also like he asked my core subject. He's also from ECE background. Actually, I'm ECE background. So he's also asking me ECE questions like ICs, how many types of ICs, and he asked me that. And also, will you ready to join? And those are questions I think he asked me. And will you okay this salary? Will you okay for this salary? I think he asked.
So what was your overall experience? Was it hard or easy or medium?
Actually, it is. I think it is easy, ma'am. For the students who prepared for TCS, from the like, I'm followed all the videos from Pratik sir, so I think I'm able to crack that because of the online study for you. So I think it is easy for all students.
Okay, okay. So any tips for the students lately? Like
Yes,
anything?
ma'am. Like, uh, basically, all the um, all the students will prepare from YouTube, I think. So follow the Pratik sir videos like this online study for you. I think that should help all the students. I think that.
Okay, that was very valuable, whatever you told us, whatever information you gave. Thank you so much for your time,
Yes.
Pujita, and thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.